we use a network security awareness training. It's a monthly email that goes out to all of the staff members that are subscribed to it, and it's got a little few minute, just a 2 or 3 minute video that it kind of goes over some topic, like, hey, when I'm VPNing into the network from outside the network, here's how I do this. I need to make sure I've got two-factor authentication turned on for my critical accounts. Uh, what do I do when I'm using the free Wi-Fi at the hotel? All those types of different topics that are surrounding security, and they help educate those employees so that they know how to handle that particular type of event. At the end of the video, it's got a short little quiz that they can take to make sure that they just understood the video, and if they don't, of course, they can go rewatch it or whatever. And those happen monthly. And then we also, and this is unrelated to network security awareness, but this is with phishing, where we send out simulated phishing emails. And those emails are trying to test the users. Now, those are at random times throughout the month, and they're all a little different. So yours might be from, a fake UPS email where I might get a fake Apple email saying, hey, something's going on with my iCloud. Now, I'm not an Apple user, so immediately I'm going to look at that and go, well, that doesn't apply to me, and I'm going to ignore it. But if I just got ordered a package from Amazon that's being shipped on UPS, I might go, oh, crap, I need to pay attention to that. So it's very important that employees are just paying attention. They're all very busy. They're all smart people. But, some of them just click on these links. We see it all the time. And so it's just very important that they keep up with the security awareness training and those phishing emails so that they are just, they're on top of the latest and greatest security threats that are out there.